Hi guys, welcome to another Asus Transformer Prime video. This is another great applications video for Android devices. However, I do not recommend using this on smartphones because it is pretty much a tablet optimized application, and you will see why in a moment. And the application is Engadget Distro. It's a online magazine that is produced by the Engadget website, and it kind of is a very professionally put together magazine of presumably the best articles that come from Engadget or the Engadget writers. And I'll show you what I mean in just a moment. It mirrors itself very much on perhaps Zeno or one of the magazine applications that you can get, but it's tailored towards technology, of course. So as you can see, there's lots of magazines that I can download here. They're all absolutely free, of course, I must stress that. And it comes out every week, so I will just download one now just to show you how quickly it will download on a normal Wi-Fi network. I think the magazines probably range in the region of 20 to 40 meg. As you will see when the magazine downloads, it has a couple of features, usually an editorial from the editor, a couple of column pieces, and generally I would say about 50 to 60 pages worth of material, which isn't too bad again for a magazine which is free to the person downloading it. I've not paid anything for this application, and I'm not paying anything for any of the actual magazines. As you can see, I'll just zoom in on one of them, and it says that the magazine is absolutely free, which is fantastic. So this one is just about finished, and when it's finished we'll press view as it's changed to green. So let's now view the magazine. So as you can see, one of the things is that it is strictly speaking a portrait style magazine, so it's encouraging me to disconnect from the dock, which I will do now, and then we'll start looking at the application itself. So there we are. And basically it just works like a swiping back and forth. Obviously there's an advert there, so that's what's paying for it, but as you can see, it's very neatly put together. I'll just zoom in, well, bring the tablet in a little bit so you can see some of the features there. I think I can probably press on one of those and it will send me straight to the article itself, and here is the article. And I can just scroll down the page to look at the rest of the article. What it kind of works in is a bit of a tile system, in that the pages are kind of invisibly across the sides for each article, and then down to look at more of the article. If I just use that button there, you will see that that's the cover, advert, contents, and then if I just come back, this is the person's article. So if I press on the article, it should bring up the page, or it will stop working, which is absolutely fantastic when I'm doing a demonstration. So maybe it isn't quite just a perfect application, but doesn't seem to have crashed too badly. So let's try that again. So if I just press on this person's article, now it brings me to the article, and if I have to scroll down to carry on reading that article, but then I can then scroll to the next article and then carry on reading it. As you can see, it's very well put together as a magazine. The one thing that you can't do, unfortunately, is you can't pinch to zoom, because that text is quite small, and I would like the text to be a little bit bigger if I'm going to be reading it on the tablet. But as I say, again, not too bad. It is readable, but it's just one of those preference things. You kind of think, I'm using this tablet and I prefer to use I mean, it's not paper. I can change the text if I want to, but unfortunately on this application I can't do that. But yeah, it's very well put together, very professional, some good articles. So I recommend you give it a try. It's called Distro, and it's available free on the Google Play Market. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the article, that application, and if you have any questions, please do ask. Chances are I probably won't be able to answer them, but hey ho, what do you know. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you again soon in another Asus Transformer Prime video.